We're now going to look at taping for the UCL of the elbow. This is also referred to as an anterior block taping with a medial bias. The UCL of the elbow can be injured through valgus forces as well as hyperextension. You can test that through a valgus stress test on the sidelines, and often they'll be sore on the inside of their elbow. To start the technique, we're going to apply some Fixamol just to protect the skin. We're then going to complete 2 anchor strips above and below the joint. These can be quite gentle. Just tense your bicep. Just tense your forearm. So I've now got our anchor strips in place, and then just think about what you're trying to do with the taping. So you want to ensure they're in a little bit of flexion, just so that the tape is actually effective. But you also don't want to be in too much flexion where that athlete isn't likely to be functional in their sport. It's very hard to, say, drop a ball onto the foot if you're taping up here too much. So what we're going to do is complete vertical strips now on the anterior and medial side. Then we're going to go for our crisscross strips. You don't need to put too much tension on the tape now, just given they've got a bit of bend in their elbow. Okay, so once we've done our vertical strips, you can then go into your crisscross strips. You're going to start laterally, then pull medially. Then we're going to go from medial to lateral. We'll then lock off our first anchors.